Oh, I do not have a partner to speak in English. What should I do right now? So, if you are thinking like this video is mainly for you because in this video I'm gonna tackle this problem. So watch this video till it ends. So now let's dive into our main video without wasting our single minute of time. So firstly, I am Kaur from English Asan. Now let's start our topic. But let me tell you one thing. I am also a learner like you. Maybe I will fumble in this video in between. So please avoid this because I am also a learner. I already told you. And maybe I will make mistakes in this video. But I am not gonna hide my mistakes because I am trying to tell you how I am practicing and how can you practice like me. So I'm not gonna hide my problem. So now let's start our video. So the first question is, I do not have any partner to learn English. So what should I do? The first thing, record yourself like me. Like I'm recording myself in the camera and I am trying to post videos on my daily basis. And this is how I am learning. I am learning by this way. And it's a practical method. You can also use this. If you do not want to upload your videos, just try to record yourself and try to listen those videos. Now why I'm saying like this, you guys might be thinking that why I'm saying like this. I am saying like this because when you will listen your video, firstly you will record yourself, then you will listen your video, then you will get to know where you are making mistakes, because mistakes are the proof that you are learning something. But then you will get to know, when you will listen, you will get to know you are making mistakes sometimes, and try to grab your mistakes and try to correct your mistakes at your own. Okay, if you want to learn by sitting at your home, if you really want to learn by sitting at your home, so firstly you have to grab your mistakes, you have to correct those mistakes at your own and try to improve yourself. Okay, if you do not have any partner, you can talk to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence which ChatGPT can ask questions to you, you can answer, and ChatGPT can also correct yourself. If you will tell to ChatGPT, please ask me questions, I will answer, then you will have to correct my mistakes and you will have to also give me the right answer, and then you will get a very good answer. If you are a beginner, you can tell to ChatGPT, I am a beginner, so please give me that kind of answer. I am at an advanced level, please give me that kind of answer. You will get answer according to your demand, but try to put your efforts, try to talk to ChatGPT. Okay, because ChatGPT is not gonna judge you. There is a very big positive point for all of you, that's not gonna judge you. Okay, so you can also talk to ChatGPT. Apart from this, you can record yourself, try to listen yourself, you will get to know about your mistakes, try to correct your mistakes. And after that, there is also one positive point for you. When you will listen to yourself, okay, you will listen to yourself, you will get to know where you are pronouncing words in a wrong way, where you have to give stress on words. Okay, there are some words on which you have to give stress, but you are pronouncing those words in a simple way. Okay, in same way, you're pronouncing those words in a same way, but there are some words on which you have to give stress. So then you will get to know where you have to give stress, you have to give stress. Then just go onto the Google and ask to Google, please give me the right pronunciation of this word. Okay, then these are the three things, these are the three things on which you are gonna work by just recording yourself. So this is a very positive thing for you. If you really want to learn English, try to learn in this way, try to learn by this way. And that's all for today. That's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, then please like it, subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends.